Are you looking for the best embroidery machine for home business? In this video we will look at some of the best embroidery machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Brother PE 770 Embroidery Machine. This is our all-time favorite embroidery machine because it is designed Brother, which is a well-known brand for making embroidery machines. It has all the features one would need in its embroidery machine that they want to purchase for the home business. There are several great features of this sewing machine that makes Brother PE 770 one of most powerful embroidery machine within this price range. This embroidery machine's primary purpose is embroidery and hence comes with embroidery-centric features such as a bigger hoop or the embroidery area and computer connectivity to transfer designs from your computer to the embroidery machine via USB cable or through memory stick. These are some of the key features of Brother PE 770 embroidery machines, but it has other notable features as well. It is equipped with an easy threading system, automatic thread trimmer, automatic needle threader, easy to set up bobbin, etc. This particular model is advertised to be a good option for people who looking to purchase an embroidery machine for the business. At number 2, Singer XL 400 Embroidery Machine. Singer Futura XL 400 is yet another great embroidery machine option for home business. Although it will serve two purposes, the regular sewing as well as the embroidery. But that doesn't mean this is ineffective for embroidery works. If you have a slightly tight budget and looking for the best option, Singer Futura XL 400 is the best embroidery machine for home business. Since you can do a lot of regular sewing jobs as well, it's an added advantage. The price of this combined embroidery machine is quite economical for such types of machines. It is a portable embroidery machine and hence easy to store and move from one place to another. Although that doesn't make it ineffective to do embroidery-related tasks. The design of this embroidery machine is very beautiful that will give your office a premium look when any customer walks in. If you are looking for the higher version of this model, you can always opt for Singer Futura XL 850 that has 215 built-in stitches, automatic thread cutter, included USB key to edit design on the computer and other interesting features. At number 3, Brother SE 600 Embroidery Machine. This is an upgraded version of the most famous sewing and embroidery machine model Brother SE 400. The company has launched a more advanced version and named it Brother SE 600. There are a lot of great features for embroidery as well as regular sewing. This is an ideal embroidery machine for home business and for those who want to offer regular stitching services other than just embroidery. It also comes with a big 3.2 inches colored touchscreen display that gives you the final look of the design before you stitch. The built-in color palette helps you choose the thread color according to your interest. That's the best feature of this embroidery machine. The best thing that we highlighted above as well as the colored LCD touchscreen that lets you preview the final design before stitching. It also lets you change the threader color as per the requirement of yours or the customers if you are doing embroidery work for them. The embroidery comes with an automatic needle threader, quick setup bobbin, and 4x4 embroidery area to showcase your embroidery talent to the customers. At number 4, Brother PE 800 Machine. If you have a good budget and looking for an embroidery machine that can handle the heavy workload for your home embroidery business, I'd recommend buying Brother PE 800 Embroidery Only Machine. This machine can be used exclusively for embroidery work and hence it is more suitable for the business. We highly recommend this embroidery machine if you are planning to start an embroidery business. It comes with 138 built-in embroidery designs, giving you enough choices to choose embroidery design for your client or for yourself. It also has 11 embroidery fonts. Not just that, since it comes with USB support, it adds flexibility to transfer new embroidery designs that you can download from the internet for free. You can either connect the embroidery machine with a USB cable or transfer the design files through the memory stick. This way, you can virtually have infinite embroidery designs and you can decorate every single item with a new unique embroidery design. At number 5, Brother SE 1900 Embroidery Machine. Up there with the best and arguably the best embroidery machine for home business under $1,000 when you can get it at that price. Brother enjoys a reputation as one of the world's best brands for a reason. Not only do you get a professional level embroidery machine, but the sewing functions also impress. With 240 built-in stitches and 10 auto-size buttonhole styles, it is ideal for anyone who wants the versatility. In terms of embroidery, it comes with 138 built-in designs and has the capability for more. Most people tend to find it easy to upload them via USB, and once they're on the machine you can preview and edit them on the 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen display. This is great as it means you can perfect the design before you commit. The 5x7 embroidery field is better than what a lot of regular embroidery machines offer, and 11 fonts that make it ideal for monogramming.